Good morning to all of you, dear students. Today let us study about measurement and metrology lab, the experiment sine bar. In the sine bar experiment, the main objective of the experiment is to determine the angle of any given job. Okay, here just I will take one example. This is the job. For this job, we have to calculate the inclination, that is what? The theta, the angle of the job. So to determine that, we are using the sine bar instrument. So the experiment needs the surface plate, this is called, and this is the sine bar, what we are using to calculate the inclination. This is called height gauge, this is called angle plate. Okay, initially here we have to calculate theoretically, then we have to calculate practically by using sine bar. So simple, all of you know how to calculate the inclination. So this is a single right angle triangle. Okay, here if you take h2, if you take this is h1, h2 minus h1, you will get the height of this angle. Okay, and then opposite by hypotenuse, this is the length, then what you get? Sin theta, then from that theta you will get the angle. Okay, so just for that, how to calculate, I will show it here in the calculations. Just you see here in the calculation. Okay, this is the least count of the gauge 0.02, height of the lower end h1 of the specimen, this is what I told you, lower end h1, and h2, this is the h2, and then length of the piece, this is the total length. Okay, then as I told you, theta equal to sine inverse h2 minus h1 by l1, correct? So length of this is 208, this is 208, h2 this is 23.7, 7.6. okay, then substitute all the values, we get the value here 4.4161. okay, this is what we have calculated theoretically. Now let us calculate the same by using sine bar. Okay, to calculate that, we have to keep the job on the surface plate, then take your sine bar, keep the sine bar here on the job such that the angle plate and this should come in contact with the sine bar. Okay, just you see here. Now here in the sine bar, there are two rulers are there. These two rulers, the distance between this is a fixed, that is 100, just you see here, the distance is 150 mm. Is it clear? Here it is. Okay, distance between two rulers is 150 mm. Then we have to note down the height of this by using the height gauge. Okay, that is the h2, and height at this ruler h1, then h2 minus h1, what you get? The vertical height divided by this is the fixed distance 150 mm, what you get? The angle of the job. So how to calculate that one? By using the height gauge. Just you use the height gauge, okay, and slightly the height gauge is having the least count of 0.02, touch the height gauge on the surface of the ruler and then tighten it, then you note down the reading. Is it clear? That is what the height you will get directly. The same procedure you have to do it for the h1. Here just note down the height h1. Just you see here in the journal, height of the lower ruler 53.7 h1, higher ruler 65.7, then distance is, this is fixed 150, then by substituting the values we get 4 degree 28 minute 25 seconds. And what we have obtained here theoretical, 4 degree 24 minute 53 seconds. So this is the procedure to calculate angle of any job by using a sine bar. Thank you.